So this tutorial is going to show you how to use the bonus entries. So bonus entries, if you look on the front end, are these extra actions that people can take to collect more entries. So you can see that people can refer others to collect entries, and then you can also incentivize people to do additional actions. So a few examples here, we have read a blog post, watch a YouTube video, watch a Facebook video, retweet something, download the app on iTunes or Google Play. And so yeah, there's really a lot that you can do here. So I'm just going to show you how to do this on the back end of VYPER. So once you're creating your contest, all you want to do is go to this bonus entry step, and you're going to have all of your entries here, which you can drag and drop into place, and you can edit and delete them. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually create a new one. So we have a huge amount of options for you to create actions across the internet and incentivize them. So this is super powerful because incentivization gets people to do things. So say you want to grow your YouTube channel, you can get people to watch your videos, comment on them. Say you want to grow your Spotify playlist, you can get people to follow your playlist, also save tracks, that sort of thing. Same with your app actions. If you want to get people to download your app or leave a review, you can do that. Podcast, same thing, leave a review on my podcast or subscribe. And then Instagram, you can get people to upload a photo and you can validate that with a hashtag. So there's a bunch of options that you have here to make your contest more powerful than just an email collection tool. You can really grow all of your channels on the internet using these sort of bonus entry options. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to use these. So first off, we have all of these templates here that you can choose from, or you can come down and create your own. You can still create those custom-made entries that you can make up all by yourself. You don't need to use our template. I do suggest that you check out our templates though, and obviously add in follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that sort of stuff. Also get people to reshare or retweet all of your, choose a post or a tweet, get people to retweet that as well. So make sure you put those ones in there, and then really just think about what are the important actions that you want people to take and include those in your custom entries. So when you're setting one of these up, I'm just going to show you an example here. So we created one around, read and comment on a blog post. And the way that we can validate this, so we have a few platforms that allow us to do integrations where we can validate, such as like Twitch, Twitter, and Instagram. But for other things like a blog post, which we can't really do a validation on, what you can do is you can validate with a question. And a question will have multiple options here. So you can choose to ask a question and leave the answer open-ended. So there is no correct answer. Everybody who clicks through is going to get the points, and they just need to enter something. You can have a question that has an open-ended question but has a correct answer. So you can say, okay, they need to enter the correct answer here. So that could be a code, it could be a number, it could be something that you know is going to be very straightforward and not change. You can also have a multiple choice and have no correct answer. So for example, if you just wanted to ask a question and get some feedback from people, or ask a question and get the general volume of interest on something, you can use this. So it's kind of like a poll. Or you can have a correct answer with you can have a multiple choice with a correct answer. So this, for example, you just put in all of your answers. So it could be, for example, on this blog post, it could be who wrote the blog post, and you could have like Jeff, Mike, Jack, Kevin, and say I wrote the blog post. I could easily put in Jack here and then select that one as the correct answer. So there are a number of ways that you can validate any action through questions, and there's also a bunch of integrations that we have that will also do that for you.